because I went out to get the mail last night in the rain, and I found this. And some of the post is missing, is broken too. Actually, the post isn't in too bad a shape. So, what I'm going to do, all I have is those tuba tens that are yellow pine, which bugs don't like yellow pine. And so, I'm just going to take this apart. I'm going to make a piece that's 2 foot down, a new post with cross pieces. And then I'm going to cut the top of that post off that's in there and mount this all onto that post when it quits raining. Because man, it is pouring out there. So, bear with me. And I'll take a few clips here and there as I go along. Alright, so I squared up the ends of the board, kind of like joining. Set this up to 3.5 inches, and I'm going to cut me a bunch of 2x4s. Then, because of all the noise and all that stuff, I'll tell you now. Then, as I'm building this, I'm going to do the double laminate thing and make a 4x4 out of these 2 2x4s. I've got a whole bunch of, a couple tubes of Gorilla Glue that I really don't use for anything. So I figure I just go ahead and use it and get it, use it up, or use some of it at least. And I probably won't talk too much after this, so you can go ahead and I'll show you as I go along what I'm doing. Then again, I might talk. Who knows? You know me, I'm a blabbermouth. So I've got it put together in dry fit. I put some screws in it to hold it together. There it is. I'll put a mounting piece across the top here. Got the, what do you call it, we'll go to. This is 2 feet. So I just cut 2 foot off from where this was originally on the original one. And I'll set this on top. Most probably I'm going to put a cleat around on all 4 sides. And I think I'm going to drill a dowel in the center. And then drill a dowel in the center of the post. So this way when I go in, there's something in the middle holding it, and then there's something all the way around the sides. And I'm just going to glue it up. Here I run up about 6 to 8 inches on here on each side. With it all glued up, it'll be almost like one piece of wood by the time I get done playing with it. Then we'll put it together and see what happens. The worst thing that happens is you're going to have another video of me building a new one. Alright. Well, I got it assembled. And it's foaming at the, whatever it is. So, we're going to have to leave it sit and cure for a little while. I think I'm going to use metal plates on all 4 sides. And maybe put a dowel in the middle, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to go out and see what I need to do to cut down that doom-whoppy since it's quit raining. A little bit. You want to take the cap off of that? ahead and take that camera before it goes out. It's not waterproof throughout the case. I got a piece of board that's not too level. It's got a groove in it, but it's the right width for mounting, screwing into the side of the mailbox. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it. I'll run a few screws in it and put it onto the top, and that'll be my mounting plate. And then I don't know what I'm going to do. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to mount it to the post yet. I'm still working on it. But I got to get resourceful on things I use to hold this up, huh? Saying that my shop is a mess is kind of an understatement. Oh, man. I'm going to line this up on here and put a few screws in it. Not seeing much like that, huh? Well, I got a break in the rain and I was able to put it up. It's a little crooked, but I don't have it all screwed in. I've got a stop I'm going to put across the back over here. When I get those two, I'll be able to straighten it up a little bit more. But it works pretty good. Let's go around, take a peeky at it. It's actually 3 inches wide, and that's a 3.5 inch post, so the little metal stobs on it actually held it down pretty good. And then I put a locating stob on the front, which actually helps a lot. And when I get a chance to drill it in and everything, I'll screw it in. It looks pretty good. It's not real shaky. Actually, the shaking is happening down on the post. It's pretty solid. I'm really surprised. I thought it would be kind of flimsy, but it came out pretty good. It doesn't look too bad. Like I said, I'll straighten the post out a little bit when I anchor that fob, and that'll bring it over a little bit. But it works. That's the main thing. And it's starting to rain again, so I'm gonna get my happy butt inside.